A fascinating find, a testament to the long-gone harmony of the Russian Art Nouveau era by the St. Petersburg workshop of Carl Fabergé. A powerful, spiritualized, and weighty image of the holy equal to the apostles King Constantine on zinc in a silver case. The vertical travel icon represents a standing saint in royal robes and a cross in his hand against a background of distant Constantinople shrines. The delicate haze of the outlines of St. Sophia and the temples of the city contrasts with the unshakable historical and spiritual reality of the first Christian king. His figure is given in a measured and solemn manner without any unnecessary boasting. The image of the emperor asserts a contribution to the visible reality of the Christian universe. Hence, the symbolic and physical weight of the icon, finely painted on heavy metal. Simultaneously amazing versatility sounds, seemingly simple rectangular framework. Functional practicality. Art Nouveau deliberately does not hide representative tasks. Straight angles emphasize image field and the idea of marketability. Peculiar material is subordinated to the functionality and originality of the style. A special symbiosis of nascent modernism and a deep sacral secret vision of Art Nouveau is formed here. At the same time, the double scrolls of the framing are perceived as rows of clouds, the symbolism of the heavenly and the spiritual, where, moving apart the clouds, we seem to see faces and holy deeds of the past. Everything in the icon is thoughtful and beautiful, even the small hinge. It is full of chopped late modernist grace and takes into account the need to suspend a rather heavy icon, whose weight stabilizes its position on the road.